In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and fine-tune a color overlay in Figma using a specific color code, then finalize it with Colorize. Start by selecting the layer or frame you want to tint. With your selection active, click the Action button at the top of Figma to open the quick command search. In the search field, type Color Overlay, then choose it from the results to apply the overlay to your selection. This effect places a tint over your content, which is great for unifying images, creating emphasis, or matching brand colors without manually editing each element. Once the overlay appears, save your changes so the effect is committed. Then open the Action menu again the same way, search for Color Overlay, and click it to bring up the overlay controls. You'll see a field where you can enter a text color code. This is where you'll paste a precise value, typically a hex code, so your overlay is consistent and repeatable across designs. If you don't already have a color code, open another browser tab and search for a color code that suits your project. You can use any reputable color resource or palette generator to find a hex value. When you find one you like, copy the code to your clipboard, switch back to Figma, and paste the color code into the overlay's text field. You should see the overlay update immediately to your chosen color. If the result looks too intense or too subtle, you can refine it right away. Click the color chip or swatch next to the code to open the color controls. From here, you can nudge the hue, saturation, and brightness, and you can adjust opacity to control how strongly the overlay interacts with the layers beneath. Small changes can make a big difference. So watch the preview and aim for a balance that preserves detail while achieving the mood you want. After you're satisfied with the color and strength, click Colorize to finalize the look. This confirms the overlay and ensures it's applied cleanly to your selection. If you're designing a set of screens, note the exact code you used so you can keep visuals consistent. And remember, overlays are most effective when they support readability. If text sits on top, make sure contrast remains clear. That's it. Click Action, search and apply, color overlay, save, reopen color overlay, enter or paste your color code, adjust if needed, and click Colorize to finish.